Hi everyone and welcome to the Get Started with Sheetgo series. My name is Valentine and I'm going to guide you through our Sheetgo product, what a connection is, how you can create one, which different connection types we have, and of course our different features. In this video I'll show you what a connection is. A Sheetgo connection is created when you import data from a source spreadsheet to a destination spreadsheet. And Sheetgo connections work a bit like automated copy pasting, so the data in your source file will always remain the same. You can connect Google Sheets, Excel, CSV and TSV files stored in either Google Drive, Sharepoint, OneDrive or Dropbox. Now, what kind of connections can I create? We have the simple connection, which I will explain today. This basically transfers copy data from one spreadsheet, CSV, TSV file to another. Then there's the Consolidate connection that transfers copied data from multiple spreadsheets into one single spreadsheet. The Distribute connection transfers copied data from a single spreadsheet to multiple other individual spreadsheets. The Filter connection transfers specific data only. We have filter by condition, query or cell color, and it can be applied to all of the above connection types. And lastly, we have the Append connection, with which you create a historical set of data, listing new data underneath previous entries in a log. Append can also be applied to all of the above connection types. But now let me show you in practice how to create a basic connection with Sheetgo. As you can see, I have a sample spreadsheet company finances right here, which consists of some data about our costs, the department expenses, our budgeting and forecasts of 2021, and the expenses that we're making in Q1 of 2021. As you can see here, my team members Christina, Lauren, and Michael simply fill out their expenses made. So each time they pay with the company card, they just list it down below here. Now what I want to do is I want to send this specific data only to my colleague's spreadsheet. So only the expenses of Q1. Let me show you how to do that in Sheetgo. The first step, of course, is to select our data source. Where does the data come from? So where do we want to import this data from? In our case, it's a Google Sheets file, the company finances. Let me select it right here. There we go. Also choose the correct tab here that you want to import from, which is Q1. Then you simply move on to the next step by clicking continue. Here you'll find our option to filter the data, but I'm showing you a basic connection, so I'm going to keep it simple as well and show you how to easily send it to another spreadsheet. As you can see, there's plenty of options to send it to specific file types and also to distribute the data. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you a basic connection to another Google Sheets file. This can be an already existing file from in your storage solutions, or you can let Sheetgo create a new file for you. Let's do that. Give the file a clear name, for example, Company Expenses Q1. And you can also rename the tab name, which will be the name of your connection as well. There we go. I'll show it to you one more time. This is basically how a Sheetgo connection looks like. There's data coming from a source and we're sending it to a destination, another file. Click on Finish and Save to create your connection. There we go. Sheetgo creates a new tab in your destination file containing your imported data. The tab is identified by a padlock symbol and a green bar. This is just to remind you to not edit this information, because this is copy data from your source file in which you should make your edits. Simply adjust the formatting to date right here, and Sheetgo will remember it in the future. Now that you've created a connection, you can update or refresh the data at any time by clicking Run. This updates the connection between the source sheet and the destination sheet. To ensure that you've always got the latest data, click Automate to schedule automatic updates. Schedule smart updates to your connection to make sure that the connection updates only whenever you need to see the most recent updated data. That's it. That's how you create a connection with Sheetgo. If you have any questions about this, do not hesitate to contact us or comment below. And make sure to watch our other Get Started videos to see the different types of connections and how to use them. And like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to be notified firsthand whenever we publish new tips and tricks. Thank you very much.